Firstly, the transition from neckband wireless earbuds to true wireless earbuds under the same name piqued my interest. As someone who has had varied experiences with Skullcandy's true wireless earbuds, I am keen to explore how the Smokin Buds XT perform. With a listed price of $24 on their official site, these earbuds aim to provide an affordable audio solution. Starting with the build, the lightweight nature of both the case and earbuds may raise questions about durability, bordering on a perception of being inexpensive. However, it's noteworthy that the materials used include 50% certified recycled plastics, suggesting a conscious effort towards sustainability. The short stem design, labeled as Skullcandy's most comfortable, lives up to its claim, providing a comfortable fit during prolonged use. The technical specifications present a bit of ambiguity, as the official site mentions Bluetooth 5.1 while the manual indicates Bluetooth 5.2. Despite this, the earbuds support AAC and SBC codecs, aligning with expectations in this price range. The IPX4 rating adds a layer of durability, making them suitable for activities like workouts or casual outdoor use. In the package, you receive 3 sets of silicone ear tips and a compact USB-C cable for charging. Notably, the case lacks wireless charging capabilities, but the battery performance compensates for it, with approximately 8 hours on a full charge and an additional 20 hours with the case. The Smokin Buds XT offer impressive longevity. The inclusion of a fast charge feature, providing 2 hours of use with just a 10-minute charge, adds convenience for users on the go. The touch controls, while comprehensive for most functions, surprisingly omit track navigation. This choice might be seen as unconventional, especially considering the absence of compatibility with Skullcandy's app, limiting customization possibilities. Turning our attention to call quality, the microphone performs adequately, capturing voices clearly and providing decent noise isolation. Moving on to sound quality, the Smokin Buds XT exhibit a pronounced emphasis on bass, impacting the clarity of mids and highs. While genres like pop and hip-hop benefit from this bass-heavy profile, it can lead to a lack of detail, especially in complex genres like rock and metal. The soundstage is not particularly expansive, and the earbuds, while not lacking in volume, might leave users desiring a bit more intensity, especially in loud environments. However, it's essential to note that Skullcandy offers alternative models in the same price range, such as the Dime, Jib, or Sesh, which might cater to a broader range of audio preferences. In conclusion, the Skullcandy Smokin Buds XT, with their pricing between $19 and $25, excel in comfort and battery life. These earbuds find their niche as an affordable and comfortable option for casual use, ideal for those who prioritize comfort and sustainability in an audio solution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned.